And welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will once again run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Telegram signal group, so if you want to join that, check it out. But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. And there we have it, $563 in matter of minutes. If you want to try this robot also, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.